Hello everybody. Today we are going to discuss about the anatomy of heart. Heart is a four-chambered organ. It is present in the chest. Okay. First we will discuss about the external features of heart. First we will discuss about the grooves and sulci. Atrioventricular or coronary sulcus. Atrioventricular or coronary sulcus is the sulcus between the atria and ventricles. It is divided into anterior part and posterior part. This is the anterior part and back side is the posterior part. It is again divided into right half and left half. Right between the right side right part contains between the right atrium and right ventricle. It lodges the right coronary artery, whereas the left part lodges the circumflex branch of left coronary artery. Then is the interatrial groove between two atria. Then is the posterior intraventricular groove between two ventricles situated on the inferior diaphragmatic surface. This is present on the left nearer to left margin. Next is the apex of heart. So here you can see the geometrical diagram of heart. It is a pyramid shape, pyramid or conical shape. This is the base at the back side. The front is the anterior. This is the diaphragmatic surface. On a table, when you keep some object, it rests on its buttocks. So these are like the buttocks on which we sit on table or chair. So this is formed by this is the apex of heart. This is the apex of heart, formed entirely by left ventricle, directed downward, leftward and to the left. From the left fifth intercostal space, it extends to the fifth intercostal space. It is mid-sternal and mid-clavicular line. Then comes the borders of the heart: left border, upper border, right border and inferior border. Left is left ventricle, right is right atrium. Inferior border is formed by right ventricle. Upper border is formed by two atria. What are the surfaces of the heart? Anterior or sternocostal surface. This is the anterior view of heart. This is the right atrium, right ventricle, left atrium. Okay, this is the sternocostal surface covered by the sternum like this. So, okay, formed by the right atrium and right ventricle. This forms the most part of sternocostal surface. It is covered by the lungs. Sternocostal, here heart is present. This is the cardiac notch. These are covered by the lungs. Some part is not covered by lungs. This is dull on percussion. It's called area of superficial cardiac dullness. Inferior surface rests on the central tendon of diaphragm. It rests on the central tendon of diaphragm. Left 2/3 by left ventricle, right 2/3 by right ventricle. Left surface is formed by left ventricle, upper end by left auricle. The base is this is the base of the heart, also called the posterior surface because it is posterior, formed by the left atrium and part of right atrium. 4 pulmonary veins open into the left atrium. Here you can see these are the 4 pulmonary veins which are opening into left atrium. Superior and inferior vena cava open into right atrium. SVC and IVC. It is separated from the vertebral column by pericardium. It is present from T5 to T8 vertebra. T5 to T8 vertebra. Specifically speaking for atrium, right atrium has right atrioventricular groove, then sulcus terminalis, crista terminalis, little ear, also called right auricle. Flap, it is a flap. Anterior wall is formed by interatrial septum, left atrium. 2 pulmonary veins open into the posterior valve. This is the pulmonary vein open into the posterior wall. Left ventricle has 3 surfaces: anterior sternocostal, inferior diaphragmatic and left surface. It has a smooth lower part, upper smooth part and lower rough part. It has 2 valves, bicuspid. You can remember as lab rat. Left bicuspid, right tricuspid. Left atrium bicuspid, right atrium tricuspid, and an aortic orifice guarding aorta. Right ventricle has 2 surfaces: inferior diaphragmatic, anterior sternocostal and pulmonary trunk. So this is the X-ray of heart. This is the aortic arch. Okay, then comes this is the pulmonary trunk. It's the aortic arch, pulmonary trunk. Then this is the left bronchus. This is the right bronchus. This is the right bronchus. Okay, right bronchus, left bronchus. Then comes, this is the left ventricle. This is the right atrium. This is the diaphragm. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you.